Now, welcome back to the channel. It's Matt and the JoJo, and we're back with another video. And yesterday, JoJo, how many tips did we get?
We got so many tips. I think every single customer gave us a tip. So it is definitely the season for getting tipsy.
So make sure you smash that like button. We're taking you with us today. And it's a rainy one, huh, JoJo?
It is. We're working in the rain. We haven't really done that in a while. So today you're going to be watching a muddy mess, I'm sure.
A muddy mess. So let's get it.
At the first job of the day. It is a repeat customer and it has stopped raining long enough for us to get this job done. And the job is located right across the street from where I went to school as a little girl.
Now let's take a look at the first job of the day. And we got all this cardboard, and in the backyard there's a bunch of scrap wood that needs to go, these cabinet doors, and then over here the good stuff. We got these big cabinets that are particle board that are super heavy that need to go too, and we definitely got a full load here. Now let's get to work.
Now, if you enjoy these videos, hit like, subscribe, and also the notification bell, so whenever we have a new video, you can be notified.
Just like that, job is complete. And JoJo, that was a bigger job than I thought it was going to be.
It was definitely bigger than I thought it was going to be also.
And guess what? We got a $25 tip.
Everyone's feeling just a little bit tipsy.
A little bit tipsy. I'm loving the trash business, JoJo.
Yeah, it is the time of year where people tip even more. And actually, if you are using a credit card reader, a Square, or whatever you're using, make sure your tip option is turned on, because you're missing out on some extra money for sure if that's not turned on.
And I'm not gonna lie, me and the JoJo didn't always have it on for a long time, and we left a lot of money on the table, JoJo, for real, huh?
Yeah, for real. So, you know, we don't ask for one. We think that you shouldn't ask for one, but the option is there, and the customer sees it, and they often include it, and especially during the holidays. So turn on the tip option on your reader. And also, make sure you have one. If you're doing junk removal and you do not have a credit card reader, you're missing out on some money. So make sure you get one. And if you're not sure how to do it, ask your bank and see how to get yourself one of these card readers.
Now, JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee on this one back here?
Oh, so heavy, because it's particle board, and that's heavy. I'm gonna say we got about 90.
90? I'm gonna say 149.
Okay.
So now we're heading to the dumps, and leave a comment down below. What do you guys think? It is a heavy load back there.
It is a heavy load. I'm probably off, but I'll stick with 90.
Sounds good. Now, JoJo, who's the cover winner of the week in our Trash Talk group?
We have Ashley with Queen Bee Junk Removal.
And check her out sitting on that couch, posing right there at the landfill. I'm loving it. Holy shit, JoJo. You dropped a big old load back there. So guess who won the prediction of the dump fee? Yo, Daddy. And check out this find of the day we got from our buddy at the dumps, Omar. We appreciate it. It's from the 1800s. And check that bad boy out. That's a big ass jar.
It's huge. And I never seen one with the eagle on the back side. We looked it up and it's from the 1800s.
And every time the JoJo tells me to get I'm gonna put $1 in there.
Well, you're not gonna have much money in here, are you?
Now let's talk about another side hustle that's great if you're slow in the trash business and it's the winter time right before Christmas time.
Okay, so if you're doing junk removal and your phone's not ringing, you are maybe in a place where it snows or it just gets super cold and your phone just doesn't ring in the winter and you're looking for extra side work, it's something you could do to make some extra money. We have come across companies in our county that are actually doing a business that is decorating for you and putting lights up around people's houses. And they had these cards. We stopped and talked to them for a while and they are making really good money this time of year.
They are making a killing. They are charging $2 per foot for materials, and then on single story houses they're charging $4 per foot to install the lights. So our house is about what, 100 feet across? They would charge us around $600, JoJo, to install some damn lights. It'll probably only take what, an hour to an hour and a half. Don't quote me on that, I don't know, but it sounds like an easy, simple job. All you need is a few tools, a ladder, and some lights.
Yeah, and you know, people are in our area, we live in a kind of an affluent area and people will spend money. And you have people that really like their houses decorated, but either number one, they don't have time to do it. Two, they don't want to do it because not an easy job, kind of a pain in the butt. And some people just aren't capable of getting up on ladders and doing it themselves. So there's a need for it. And what I always say is if you want to start a business, find a need in your area and fill it, and people will call you.
And this is a great side hustle to make extra cash. I love their flyer. The guy was super nice, and we might try to get him on the channel to do an interview. And yeah, he's making a killing. So we're heading to the next job. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Always be on the lookout, think outside the box, and find ways to make extra money.
So now we're heading to the next one. Let's head on out, JoJo. So we're at the next job of the day, and JoJo, who's a hauler and baller of the week?
We have Chris Peters with Clutter Reduction Junk Removal.
Check him out rocking that t-shirt, and make sure you check out his YouTube channel and subscribe and let him know Sonoma Strong Hauling sent you.
And we'll put the link to his channel right there. So we are at the next job of the day and it looks like a full load. But the good news is, look how close we can pull up. We're like right here. Easy money.
Now, just like that, job is complete, and we did that job for a property manager that uses us all the time, and I keep their card on file to make payment easy, JoJo.
Yes, and that was the entire packaging for a modular home. So it was as if you received it as a present and we were taking away the wrapping paper.
I can't believe we fit all that back there, JoJo.
Yeah, it was It was a messy job.
It was a dirty, nasty, muddy job for sure. And JoJo, now you know what I want for Christmas.
A modular home.
Hell yeah, JoJo. I want to put one in the backyard of the house. A tiny one, JoJo, not a huge one.
Oh, a tiny house.
Yeah, it could be a game room. Put a little pool table back there, little foosball, little slot machine, little casino in the back.
A man cave.
A man cave for sure. Now, JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee on this one back here?
So this one I'm going to say 82.
82? I'm going to say 113. And the JoJo got on my case. She's like, damn, your hands stink. And they do smell pretty bad. My hands were like right here by her face. And she's like, oh my gosh, Matt.
Yeah, it's time to get new gloves.
Yeah, the gloves I had were horrible. They were funky, stanky, smelly hands. But you know what?
You're making
I
money.
got my money's worth out of them, JoJo. Yeah. So we're heading to the landfill right now. And it's better my hands smell like that than my ass, JoJo, for real.
I would say the hands probably smell like that.
Whatever. So we're heading to the landfill now. So who won the prediction, JoJo?
I won this time.
What was it?
It was 85.
Damn you, JoJo. I think we're 1-1, right?
Yeah.
That's not a bad day.
That is a
50-50.
great day.
It's a good day.
It's a good day.
Now, hallelujah, JoJo. We're done for the day, and we made a killing.
We made some good money today. But keep in mind, make sure your tip option is on because everyone's feeling tipsy this time of year. And you don't want to miss out on some extra money.
And don't forget, if you guys like these videos, make sure you smash that like button, and we'll catch you on the next one.